Ever wondered what zero gravity feels like? Imagine a world where your groceries, packages, and online orders are delivered by drones zipping through the sky with pinpoint accuracy. Autonomous delivery drones are fast becoming a reality, redefining logistics as we know it. This isn't a future concept. It's happening right now, reshaping how we think about delivery and transportation. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in futuristic technologies. Autonomous delivery drones are more than just flying gadgets. They represent a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in logistics. Imagine ordering a book online and having it delivered to your doorstep within minutes by a drone. This is not just a dream. Companies like Amazon, Google, and apps are already testing and deploying these autonomous systems. Autonomous delivery drones leverage advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, GPS, and cutting-edge sensors. These drones can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and deliver packages with incredible precision. For instance, Amazon's Prime Air service aims to deliver packages weighing up to 5 pounds in 30 minutes or less using drones. The technology behind these drones is nothing short of astounding. At the core of autonomous delivery drones is artificial intelligence. AI enables drones to make real-time decisions, such as finding the best route, avoiding obstacles, and landing safely. Machine learning algorithms allow drones to learn from past experiences, improving their efficiency and accuracy over time. GPS technology ensures that drones can pinpoint exact delivery locations, even in densely populated urban areas. One of the most impressive aspects of autonomous delivery drones is their ability to navigate complex environments. Equipped with advanced sensors like LIDAR and cameras, drones can detect and avoid obstacles such as trees, buildings, and power line. This capability is crucial for ensuring safe and reliable deliveries, especially in urban areas where the landscape is constantly changing. The logistics industry is one of the biggest beneficiaries of autonomous delivery drones. Traditional delivery methods such as trucks and bikes are often slow, inefficient, and costly. Drones, on the other hand, offer a faster, more efficient, and cost-effective solution. They can bypass traffic, cover large distances quickly, and deliver packages directly to customers' doorsteps. This has the potential to drastically reduce delivery times and operational costs. Take the example of UPS, which has been experimenting with drone deliveries in rural areas. In 2019, UPS received approval from the Federal Aviation Administration to operate a fleet of drones, marking a significant milestone in the adoption of this technology. By using drones, UPS can reach remote areas that are difficult to access by traditional delivery methods, ensuring that even the most isolated customers can receive their packages promptly. Autonomous delivery drones also have a significant impact on the environment. Traditional delivery methods rely on vehicles that emit greenhouse gases, contributing to air pollution and climate change. Drones, on the other hand, are electric and produce zero emissions. By reducing the number of delivery vehicles on the road, drones can help decrease traffic congestion and lower carbon footprints. This makes them an eco-friendly alternative to traditional delivery methods. For example, Google's Project Wing aims to develop a fleet of drones that can deliver packages in an environmentally sustainable way. The project focuses on using electric drones that produce zero emissions, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. By integrating drones into their delivery networks, companies can contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. The rise of autonomous delivery drones also opens up new business opportunities. Companies can expand their delivery services, reaching customers in areas that were previously inaccessible. This can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Additionally, the use of drones can streamline supply chain operations, reducing the need for warehouses and storage facilities. For instance, Walmart has been exploring the use of drones to deliver groceries and other products to customers. By integrating drones into their delivery network, Walmart can offer faster and more efficient delivery services, enhancing the overall customer experience. Furthermore, the use of drones can help reduce operational costs, making it a win-win situation for both the company and its customers. However, the adoption of autonomous delivery drones also comes with challenges. Regulatory issues, safety concerns, and technological limitations need to be addressed. Governments and regulatory bodies need to establish clear guidelines and policies to ensure the safe and responsible use of drones. Companies must invest in research and development to improve drone technology and ensure its reliability and security. Safety is a major concern when it comes to autonomous delivery drones. Ensuring that drones can operate safely in various environments is crucial for gaining public trust and acceptance. This includes developing robust collision avoidance systems, fail-safe mechanisms, and secure communication networks to prevent hacking and unauthorized access. For example, DG, a leading drone manufacturer, has been working on developing advanced safety features for their drones. These features include obstacle detection and avoidance, geofencing to prevent drones from entering restricted areas, and secure communication protocols to protect against hacking. By prioritizing safety, DG aims to ensure that their drones can operate reliably and securely in various environments. Another challenge is navigating regulatory frameworks. Different countries have different regulations regarding drone usage. Companies need to work closely with regulatory bodies to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations. This involves obtaining necessary permits, adhering to flight restrictions, and ensuring that drones meet safety and performance standards. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration has established guidelines for commercial drone operations. These guidelines include requirements for pilot certification, operational limitations, and safety standards. Companies like Amazon and UPS have been working with the FAA to obtain necessary approvals and ensure compliance with regulation. By collaborating with regulatory bodies, companies can navigate the complex regulatory landscape and ensure the safe and responsible use of drones. Despite these challenges, the future of autonomous delivery drones looks promising. Advances in technology, coupled with increasing demand for faster and more efficient delivery services, are driving the adoption of drones in the logistics industry. As more companies invest in drone technology, we can expect to see further improvements in performance, safety, and reliability. Looking ahead, we can envision a world where autonomous delivery drones are a common sight in our sky. Drones could be used to deliver a wide range of products, from groceries and medications to emergency supplies and equipment. They could also be integrated into smart city ecosystems, working alongside other autonomous systems to create a seamless and efficient urban environment. For example, imagine a future where drones are used to deliver medical supplies to remote areas during natural disasters. By providing quick and efficient deliveries, drones can play a crucial role in saving lives and improving disaster response efforts. This is already being demonstrated by companies like Zipline, which uses drones to deliver medical supplies and blood to remote clinics in Africa. In cities, drones could be used to deliver groceries directly to customers' balconies or rooftops, eliminating the need for delivery drivers and reducing traffic congestion. This could be particularly useful in densely populated urban areas where traditional delivery methods are often slow and inefficient. Autonomous delivery drones are also paving the way for new innovations and applications. For instance, companies are exploring the use of drones for last-mile delivery, which is the final leg of the delivery process from a transportation hub to the customer's doorstep. Last-mile delivery is often the most expensive and time-consuming part of the delivery process. Drones can help streamline last-mile delivery, reducing costs and improving efficiency. E-commerce giant Alibaba has been experimenting with using drones for last-mile delivery in rural China. By using drones, Alibaba can reach customers in remote villages that are difficult to access by traditional delivery methods. This not only improves delivery times but also enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring that packages are delivered promptly and efficiently. In addition to last-mile delivery, drones can be used for various other applications in logistics. For instance, they can be used for inventory management in warehouses, conducting aerial inspections of infrastructure, and monitoring supply chain operations. By leveraging drone technology, companies can enhance their operational efficiency and gain a competitive edge in the market. Imagine a future where drones are integrated into smart city infrastructure, working alongside autonomous vehicles and other intelligent systems to create a seamless and efficient urban environment. Drones could be used to monitor traffic, inspect buildings, and deliver packages, all while communicating with other autonomous systems to ensure smooth and coordinated operation. This vision of the future is already being explored by companies like Uber, which is developing a network of flying taxis and delivery drones to create a connected and efficient urban transportation system. By integrating drones into the transportation network, cities can reduce congestion, improve mobility, and enhance the overall quality of life for their residents. Autonomous delivery drones are redefining logistics and transforming the way we think about delivery and transportation. With their advanced technologies, efficiency, and environmental benefits, drones have the potential to revolutionize the logistics industry and create a more sustainable and connected world. As we look to the future, it's clear that the sky is no longer the limit. By embracing the potential of autonomous delivery drones, we can unlock new possibilities and reshape the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. So, whether it's delivering groceries, medical supplies, or online orders, drones are set to play a crucial role in the future of logistics. And as technology continues to advance, we can only imagine the exciting innovations and applications that lie ahead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in futuristic technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on autonomous delivery drones, so please share your comments below.